I'll first of all drag the footage down to my timeline from the media library. Then I'll move over to text, then drag this default text down to the timeline. I can customize the text by clicking on the text right here or using this black area right here. My dog is beautiful. After that, you can adjust the font size using this font size slider right here. Then change the colors wherever you want. Move over to this top right corner, text to speech, click on it, and then select the voice you want. We have the male voice section and the female voice section. Let's hear what the male voice sounds like.
You're using the text-to-speech feature. Choose a voice you like.
Move to female. Well, the voice you're looking for is Jessie, probably because it's one of the most popular voices.
You're using the text-to-speech feature. Choose a voice you like.
Perfect. So after selecting the voice you want for your video, just click on Generate Speech. Wait for it to process.
My dog is beautiful.
After generating your text-to-speech, you can do away with text appearing on the screen if you want. Now I have just the voice left. That's how to do text-to-speech in CapCut. If you enjoyed this video, drop me a thumbs up to support the channel. See you next time.